Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you a quick and dirty way and how to remove your radiator fan out of your Jeep JK. First off, what you're going to have holding this in are these little push tabs right here. You need a special tool, much like this metal one or this plastic one. Remove all the tabs. You want to pull this up out of the way. You want to disconnect your electrical. Now, person before me when this broke it off, but there'd be like a red tab. You'll slide back, then push that back, and then slide the fan off. And then on each side, there's two 8mm bolts. One there, one behind where the coolant bottle is. Now the coolant bottle will have a little push-in tab right there, and you want to pull that out. Then for the coolant bottle, you want to pull it straight up and out. Pull the rubber hose off here. So remove your coolant line, push tabs out, grab the coolant bottle, pull it straight up, and then it comes out. Get that out of the way. And once your bolts are out for the radiator, or for the fan, you can wiggle it out. The radiator hoses kind of do get in the way, but just pull it straight up, and then you'll see it kind of wiggle her up and then out. For the fan, you can wiggle it out. The radiator hoses kind of do get in the way, but just pull it straight up, and then you'll see it kind of wiggle her up and then out. Now to put it back in, it's kind of the same principle. It's got some tabs. You want to get it to connect on and slide on. Just kind of wiggle it down, slide it down. Okay, looking down. I want to snag those tabs, and it looks like I'm in place because I can't pull it out at the bottom. And it looks like it fits up there good. When there's in, do one more for the opposite side here. She'll be a little bit more tricky to get at. Okay, there we go. You want to make sure the coolant bottle is in there. Run your line. Presto, coolant's plugged in. And then we got our little tab there.
There you have it. Once you have the air intake off, to remove the fan should take you about 10 minutes. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. I'll see you in the next one. Be sure to check out my channel for more JK content.